If your Facebook ads are not converting, it might be a landing page issue. Over the past 5 years, we've tested dozens of different landing pages that helped boost the conversion rate tremendously for our clients. So in today's video, I want to go over 3 landing page types that you need to try out. They're super easy to create, not much work is included, and they can seriously, increase your ROAS, they can double your ROAS. So I would say let's get right into it. So the first one is this beautiful, here are 5 amazing reasons why. So, you can obviously just change this. It's super easy to recreate for your particular, product. 5 reasons why you need to try this skincare product. 5 reasons why, over X amount of people are using this in their daily routine. You can, combine this with social proof. There's just so many different things that you can do with this 5 reasons why. And then the landing page itself is pretty simple. You just give 5 reasons, and at the end you have some social proof, and you just end with the call to actions. In this instance, Jones Road Beauty is doing it with take the quiz, call to action. I've seen this work tremendously well as kind of a pre-sell page before you go to the product page, so that you have the 5 reasons why, and then you basically tell people, you just have that call to action which says buy now, and then you just send them straight to the product page where they can buy. And this literally helps boost the conversion rate, because I don't know why exactly it's this 5 reasons why, but people go crazy over it. Like they wanna, it feels like they wanna get reasons of why they should buy your product and not a competitor's product. And by having that 5 reasons why, you make it super clear, well, you're better than the competition, right? So I think that a landing page like this should be tested for basically every D2C brand out there. It's easy to recreate. You don't need a ton of resources. You can do this probably in like 3 to 4 hours, I guess, and it's easy to test as well, because either your conversion rate improves or it doesn't. And because it's so clean, because it's so simple, you can't do much wrong, right? And basically the only variable that you have are the images and the font. And if you make that in line with like store's font, then there's not much that you can do wrong with designing that particular landing page. Then the next one is also kind of cheeky, but I really like it. It has performed well especially for one of our clients in the past. It worked extremely well. And it's basically kind of like an editorial / news article landing page. Basically you have this, you send people to that landing page. You can do this with like a learn more button as well. And then you have the heading, how this former aerospace engineer revolutionized shaving. And then, you just go into in this instance, they're talking about the company history. You can also combine, you can also focus more on your actual product, and that how kind of you sourced the product, how you developed the product, how you created the product. And you basically just make this like a news article. I think the way that they could have done this better is by having like an image on the left side, and then here's the text, and and then they have the image here, and here's more text. So kind of like a real newsletter article, in my opinion. But I mean, this ad is just this landing page. I love it. And then they go into the actual product, like super simple call to action. If you're ready to start loving your shave, try the SE. If you're ready to change your beauty routine, if you're ready to get clear skin, if you're ready to sleep like in heaven, boom, like so many different things that you can use this for. And then make a call to action straight to the actual product page. You have there's no heading. That's super important. I know that you usually need to have like a footer at the release, or like that you need to have like a logo which is clickable, so that you get to the homepage, because otherwise Facebook will disapprove this landing page. But other than that, don't use any headings. Use your normal footer, because I think that you have to use that one. Don't focus so much on the social proof, and make it like a very small bit of the landing page. Don't put any reviews in there, because then it's not really authentic, and you kind of want to get that authentic way. So highly recommend that you give that one a shot. Also because it's again super simple to recreate. Like you can't do much wrong in terms of designing that particular landing page. You don't need to hire an expert designer for that landing page. You can just do it on your own. Then the last one, which I have, is what I call basically like a basic landing page. This is like seriously like a landing page that every D2C brand should test, because almost every time when I tested those kinds of landing pages, they outperformed the product page or the home page or the collection page as a landing page. and it helped obviously increase the ROAS, decrease the CPA, helped scale the business. And it also doesn't take a lot of effort. You might need to hire a designer for that one, but overall it's still very, very basic. And the way that you build this landing page is you have like a benefit statement at the top, with like a sub benefit statement, some social proof, and then a call to action. And the call to action usually goes straight to this one, to your buying bundle basically. But before we get into that, you have the benefit statement, sub benefit statement, some social proof, and then a call to action. And then you continue with some social proof. So it's really important that either in this section, you do like featured in, or you put like a customer review in here, or over X amount. Like, you kind of have social proof here, but in here I would love to see like an actual customer review, like fully written out, maybe 2 or 3. This makes people see that there's people buying this product, and obviously the social proof adds a ton of value to the landing page. And then usually after that, you have the above the fold benefit, sub benefit, call to action, and social proof. Continue with some social proof, and then you have the 3 reasons why you need to buy this product, essentially, right? In this instance, they've done more. They've done 6 reasons. I usually do 3 reasons, and then instead of, I don't like that they wrote thoughtfully designed in here, because I think it's 3 reasons why you need Cadence would perform better from my perspective, from my experience, because you tell basically people why you need this product, and thoughtfully designed doesn't tell the potential customer anything, right? So simply write like 3 reasons why you need to try X, 3 reasons why you need to buy this. Super straightforward. Then you obviously just give the reasons, and then you continue. I basically built the same landing pages block by block like they've done, so there's not much playing around. The different sections, above the fold section, social proof section, the 3 reasons why sections. You continue with some like store guarantees. People love seeing guarantees, especially before they buy, made with ocean-bound plastics, not really a guarantee, but just like an extra benefit, and then free returns in a 60-day trial period, and free USA shipping. People know it's free shipping. People know that they have 60 days to, send their product back. So, it gives them the safety of not losing their money. And then you continue with like your buying section, like product section, right? Like you would send them to the actual product page. This is where people can buy. And you have an add to cart button or checkout button. Don't send them to the product page on this particular landing page type. Send them straight to the checkout or to the cart, or to an upsell or whatever. But basically, then they have some Q&As, which can also be helpful. And then after that, you continue with all of the reviews, actual reviews that you've gotten from your customer, and they've obviously have a founders section on here. I usually don't do that, but it seems to work for them, so you can also give that a shot. But usually, I have the buying section, and then the social proof section, and then the landing page ends there, because as I said, people they know why your product is superior, they know why they could potentially need your product, they have some social proof, some more social proof, they have like a irresistible offer, and that's also important that you give them some sort of special offer if they go to that landing page. Maybe it's like a bundle, which also helps increase AOV, for example. But all in all, it's important that there's some sort of special offer, even if it's just like a free stock, free shipping, whatever. Just give them something which basically makes them, which they can only find on that landing page. And those are my 3 favorite types of landing pages that I'm currently testing for every single client that we're working with. And I hope that you found some value in this video. Again, if you don't, I highly recommend that you give landing pages a shot, that you at least build the first and second one, because they're super simple to recreate. I will see you in the next video.